What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your name and username on TikTok. First of all, what you need to do to change them, you need to go to your profile, then here you will have the option to edit profile. We are gonna click on it, and as you can see at about you information, we have the name and username of our TikTok. So let's change the name. Take in account that you can change the nickname once every 7 days only. So what we need to do now, after we write our name, we're gonna save it and we want to confirm like so. And as you can see, the name is changed. And for the username, we're going to do the same. We're gonna click on username. Then here, we're gonna write our new username like so. And to save it, what we want to do is to click on save. Also, take in account that you can update your username only once every 30 days. So we're going to confirm it like so. And as you can see now, our name and username are changed. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.